So we're gonna talk about the halting, what is mean, and how many days BBIG will be halted, and what price will BBIG will squeeze at or jump at after the unhalting for BBIG. So let's get right to it and discuss first the fundamental, then the technical. What is halting? Whenever the stock is halted, there's a code assigned to the company. For example, the most common stock halt code is T1. And there's a T5 and there's a T12. For T1 is for stocks that have pending release of material news. For T5 is when the stock move at least 10% in 5-minute period. However, for BBIG is a type T12 of halting. If we go here on from the Nasdaq, the current trading halt for a lot of stocks, let me just highlight it for you. The type of halt for BBIG is T12. There's so many type of halt. You see T1, T3, T5, a lot of kind of code assigned for every stock. However, what we should focus on is BBIG. The type is T12. It's really rare. It's one of the more uncommon trading halt code is the T12. And why? Because BBIG have everything set. We don't have a massive jump like this stock. We have a really good example. A dry ship. It's been halted on T12 before. You know why? Because this stock went from below the $1 to $5 just few days. Then we went until the $120 per share, and we did almost 1,500% in the span of just 2 weeks for this stock. That's why dry ship it's been halted, and SEC demand the explanation for why the price action was unusual like this. CEO of the company didn't actually reply on the SEC, and that's why even if we try to look for dry ship now on the TradingView or the internet, we can't find it because it's still halted. However, and according to FINRA, trading halt can last up to 10 business days. Again, depending on BBIG, if give the right information or explanation for the SEC in order to have the stock unhalted. Have 10 days. So until the 14th of August. So we have 10 days from now for BBIG in order to be unhalted. So the limit for unhalting, as we can see from Yahoo Finance, is 10 business days. So from 14th of August until the 16th of August. So depending on so you don't calculate the Saturday and Sunday. However, if we go to BBIG, we see that the price has been halted, and the last day that been trading, we have the price around the 0.71. So if we unhalted after 10 days, and we might see a gap. So the best case scenario and the realistic like price action for BBIG from just the technical is have a gap above the 0.8387. So if we have a gap for BBIG after the unhalting above here, this would be the best case scenario for BBIG to start trading again, and this time we're gonna have the squeeze around the $1.32, the pre-signaling. Of course, the squeeze area should be around the $2.20. This is the best case scenario to have a gap for the 0.83 and continue to hold above this important level of support. Now is the resistant. For Tide, we have confirmed doing higher lows because last time we have the $1. Now we have the $1.06. If we continue to hold above the $1.06, we're gonna have a volatility back. And this time, if we held above the $1.20, Tide will continue to go higher around this area. Let me just show you around this area, the $1.63. Or if you want to hold for the second profit taking, which would be around the $2.13. Hopefully that was clear. I will do update again for BBIG whenever I have the update for the news. So hit the notification and like button so you never miss any of my future updates. And we're gonna do a video after that regarding a lot of stock that been squeezing and been requested a lot from our Hunter and Patreon, even on community section, because we did a voting for AMC, Vroom, BBBY, and the other heavy squeeze stocks. So we're gonna do update for them after this video. So don't go anywhere. See you in the next video.